Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, combination connections, Facebook friends, LinkedIn connections, social media friends. This episode is about Andhra Pradesh politics, especially about member of parliaments. Earlier, Y.S. Rajశేఖర Reddy and Kavu Samasarao garu were famous for their for being member of parliament. They used to serve their constituency very well. They used to attend the parliamentary meetings as well as their constituency people. So they used to make time out of their busy time. So there is on record there is appreciation for these two great people. One is Vice Rajశేఖర Reddy garu, who was the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and then K. Samasarao garu for member of being Parliament. They were in Congress earlier. Now Baireddy Sabari garu is the topping with the 62% of people's acceptance. A survey has been conducted now. According to the survey, 62% of the population voted for Baireddy Sabari garu for her devotion to the parliamentary constituency and attending to their problems. Then Rammohan garu, who is the Minister of Civil Aviation in central government as well as member of parliament in the Srikakulam constituency. He attends all the functions. Whoever invites him, and he attends to all the important function meetings. Then Rammohan Naidu garu told. Then Bharat garu of Visakhapatnam and CM Ramesh of Anakapalli. All these people have done great service to their constituency as well as of the people. Now it is time for them to fight with the center and get funds out of the center allocations, budget allocations, so that their constituency will be running and smooth and functioning. This is the request of this is based on inputs by Feature Today and my dear friend my dear friend Valamani Venkateswarao. Thank you so much.